PackSmart is providing cost-saving equipment and hardware solution including accessories for the PAC system to all government and private hospitals in the filmless environment with a service backup across the nation. We have generated more than 100 customers in a short period accessing to user directly as well as through OEMs. Our third product is Remage Medical Disc Publisher. It's a multiple CD, DVD and Blu-ray written with a DICOM compatible that can be integrated to existing server or directly from the modality through network. This publisher, you can write up to 300 CDs with 3 bins, and each bin is carrying 100 CDs to write the images. Here we can clearly see the rotation of 3 bins. We can see the first, and now you can see the second writer to write the DICOM images. And third writer to write the patient information on the label. This is the home screen where we can enter with login ID and password and select the login. This is the screen to search the patient information. You can search the past information based on any field. Now, patient was selected with quantity template and disk type on the right-hand side to record the CD. In the record situation, it shows the status. This shows the current status of each bin and cartridge. Now, it is showing the equipment is initializing by checking the CDs in the first, second and third drivers. And now it starts recording. The first CD has taken up and loading in the first drive to start recording the images. And after finishing that, CD is taken to the label writer to write the patient information on the label. PackSmart is providing cost-saving equipment and hardware solution including accessories for the PAC system is to all government and private hospitals in the filmless environment hospital logo with a service backup across the information. We have generated more than 100 customers in a short period accessing to user directly as well as through OEMs. In the patient information screen, we can see the status of each bin, HDD, color, and black and white cartridge, and status of the equipment to search the patient information. ID is selected with modality from the patient image. Select the quantity, label, and disk type to record it again. The status of recording image is clearly showing in percentage-wise. In the network settings, you can select either modality or PAC server to acquire the patient data for auto recording, and in the system settings, you can set the datas on the hard disk management like number of days, CDs priority wise, including disk capacity settings. In the label settings, you can type the hospital name with the address and choose the ready-made templates and predefined text fields like ID, name, sex, and study date, etc. to write the information on the CD cover. The record situation, you can see the status of recording images. In the patient information, you can change the password. Thank you. For any queries, please contact us.